Business is an economic activity. Economic activity refers to any activity conducted with an intention to earn money. Business refers to production and distribution of goods and services with an intention to make profits. Production also involves production of agricultural goods. For example, growing mangoes, manufacturing of soaps, etc. Distribution refers to all the activities involved in movement of goods and services to the ultimate consumer. For example, transport, warehousing, etc. Features of business as an economic activity are as follows. Involves production and distribution of goods and services. Any activity done during the process of making goods and service available to the ultimate consumer for a price will be called as a business. The next feature is that it involves goods and services. Every business transaction involves either goods or services. Services are intangible but are provided for earning money. For example, transport, banking, etc. Another feature of business is that it involves minimum two parties. Any business activity involves minimum of two parties, that is buyer and the seller. One cannot do a business with himself. The next feature is that business involves exchange. Any business activity involves exchange of goods and services for money or money's worth. This is the reason why business always involves minimum of two parties. Any exchange requires minimum two parties. Goods and services exchanged for money is referred to as a monetary exchange. Exchange of goods and services for some other goods and services is called barter exchange. No money is involved in the barter exchange. One more feature of business is that the business aims to make a profit. Every business activity has an aim to make profit. If there is no intention to make profit, such an activity cannot be considered as business. Involves risk. Every business activity involves risk, that is, risk of making a loss. There is nothing called as risk-free business. Continuity. Business involves continuous and regular production of goods and services. Any isolated activity of buying and selling cannot be considered as business. For example, selling of old furniture of your house. Even though it involves money, it still can't be considered as business for you, as you are not doing this on a regular basis.